The great Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, needs no introduction. We have also studied his predictions, and after knowing it all, we were left shocked.
Janm Sakhi Baliwale, whose publisher is Bhai Chhatar Singh Jeevan Singh, Amritsar. On page number 307, prediction of Prahlad is written that after Nanak Ji's departure to Satlok, a Jat saint will take birth in Punjab. He would be great like Nanak Ji and Kabir Ji. His promotional city would be Barwala.
When the mystery of prediction made from thousands of years ago unfolded, then the divine great man finally appeared. We molded many great people in our research, but either the geography was missed out or the family life. Then we did some more deep research, and then only one great man stood true on our test. And after knowing his name, you will be happy with devotion.
Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the one and only man who is born in India to save this earth and humanity. Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great man whom all the foretellers from around the world have predicted. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji is the man who has 2 sons and 2 daughters, and his mothers are 3 sisters. Sant Rampal Ji is the great man who was born on 8 September 1951 in the state of Punjab. In 1966, Haryana was separated from Punjab. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint who has defeated all saints in the world in spiritual debate. The whole world accepts his excellence of his spiritual knowledge. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj was born on 8 September 1951 in a small village Dhanana in Sonipat, Haryana, which was earlier in Punjab. He is the great man who has completed 20 years on 7 September 1971, is none other than great Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The great man who has amazed everyone with his spiritual knowledge is none other than Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who is accused in the false case of treason is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has white hairs and doesn't have any beard or moustache is Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has eradicated all the evils from the society is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Sant Rampal Ji has given knowledge about divine powers who had remained a mystery of the world. In Gita chapter 18 Shlok 62, to whom the speaker is suggesting to be the word down other than himself. Arjuna asked in chapter 18 Shlok 1 that who is the person in Gita chapter 7 Shlok 29, who exactly is the Param Akshar Brahm? Its answer is given in chapter 8 Shlok number 3. It is said that he is Param Akshar Brahm, about whom Saint Rampal Ji has given complete knowledge in his satsang. For more information, read book Gyan Ganga, Gita Tera Gyan Amrit, Jeene Ki Raah, Andhshraddha Bhakti Khatra-e Jaan, www.jagatgururampalji.org. Download free and clear all your doubts and also bless your life. It is written in Janam Sakhi Balewali. It is written that a great man will take birth in the Jat community after hundreds of years of Nanak Ji. He would be knowledgeable and great like Kabir Ji and Nanak Ji. It is 100% true on Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great man who has taken birth in small rural village of Haryana. If someone has the slightest doubt that prediction was made for any other 10 Sikh gurus, So it is clear that no Sikh Guru among them was born in Jat community. So it also strengthens the favor of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Also, he is the one who is born in the holy Hindu religion. He is the one who will revive the eternal religion as prophesied by Nostradamus. That is small town Dhanara in Sonipat, in which he was born. That rural civilian will give lesson to the world of courtesy, morality and brotherhood, and will reunite the scattered human race. He will lay foundation of new civilization. First of all, he will make his Hindu brothers understand about the spiritual knowledge. All will wake up just like someone wakes up from a deep sleep. The religious revolution of knowledge emanating from rural India after destroying atheism would cover the entire world like a tempestuous storm, and the supreme knowledge is given by his book.
All these signs have been told in the past by great astrologers, which undoubtedly signal towards Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Yes, that great man is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, about whom all the predictions have been made. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint with whose positive energy golden age will come again on this entire earth. World war will be averted, human race will be liberated, and Ram Rajya will be established. India will emerge and be famous as the new world leader. All these things have been predicted by great foretellers of the world in history that we have told to you. Say everyone, Jagat Guru, Tattvadarshi, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj ki jai.
उत्तर दक्षिण पूरब पश्चिम फिरता दानी दानिनु सर्व कला सदगुरु साहिब की हरि आए हरियाणेनु।
8th September 2022 is the 72nd incarnation day of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji. On this auspicious occasion, a massive free community meal, free initiation service, and a 3-day continuous recitation of Holy Book Sadh Granth Sahib are being organized from the 6th to 8th of September 2022, in which all of you are cordially invited with your family. On this special occasion, our program will be telecasted live on Sadhana TV and Popcorn Movies TV channel from 9:15 a.m. You can also watch it on Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj YouTube channel.